It's brought to you by allaboutmqm.org, the MQM's knowledge base.
Pakistan People's Party. More reaction. MQM leader Farooq Sattar has said the blast aimed to destroy peace in the city and to provoke sectarian violence. He was speaking exclusively with us here at Express 24/7. Take a listen.
Yet another act of brutal and very inhuman, deplorable act of terrorism. And I think the nefarious design is again very clear, that to destroy the atmosphere of peace and tranquility in the city of Karachi, and also try to provoke and spark sectarian violence by pitting the volunteers of one sect against the other. I think this is high time that the religious political parties and religious leaders should also come out in open and vehemently and very vociferously condemn this very deplorable act of terrorism. And there should be no sympathy towards the extremists. There is no good extremist, there is no bad extremist. Extremist fanatics and terrorists are extremist fanatics and terrorists. I would like, as my leader Mr. Altaf Hussain has made an appeal to the citizens of Karachi, that this is a time of test for all of us, and we have to show immense sense of responsibility and maturity, and we have to not give in to this conspiracy and have to maintain the peace of the city at all cost. Karachi being the hub of national economy, and if Karachi is derailed, then the whole country's economy is derailed, and then this will enable the terrorists to succeed. So in order to defeat them, it is very important that we must, yes, the anger is there, the frustration is there, and I think the security arrangements were very proper and very good as far as the main passage of corridor of the procession is concerned. But this is high time that we must begin to give some serious thinking for the community participation, that small processions which come out of different neighborhoods, they also need protection. The first attack on Jinnah Hospital and the second very inhuman one at the Jinnah Hospital, where the volunteers were trying to provide aid and assistance to the injured ones, and there were some mourners who had come to look for their near and dear ones who had died today. I think it goes without saying that the sacrifice is like the sacrifice which Hazrat Imam Hussain gave in Karbala.
Right.
And those who have committed this crime, they have Yazidi intentions, and in order to frustrate their nefarious design, we have to be united. We have to make our vigilance system in our neighborhood very strong, the community participation, and there is a need for some kind of institutionalizing this community participation in the form of community police under the umbrella of the city governments. All Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar, Quetta, not only these four cities but all big cities of Pakistan now need to make them safe cities, and all safe cities cannot be safe cities unless they have community police. I don't think that that the army can serve any better than what the law enforcement agency that we have. The thing is that we need a law enforcement at the neighborhood level, at the district level, a perfect coordination between the UC Nazim, a town Nazim, and the sub-station house officer, that is an SHO, a TPO. At that level, actually, we require a coordination, a proper contact and communication and regular interaction amongst them, so that they can exchange important informations and important knowledge, whatever is available in different neighborhoods. People have to be more vigilant and have to provide a vigil in their surroundings, that they have to keep an eye, that if they see any mysterious thing around them, they must report it to the UC Nazim and Town Nazim, and they should then have this coordination with the police.
Right. That was Farooq Sattar of MQM.